There are thousands of species which are discovered throughout the world every single year. However, the number is increasing as new ones are found every year. In this video we will discover species and go through their details at Informed Nation. Number 1. Lanokohaila Celeste, a tree frog native to Costa Rica's Tapir Valley. The brightly colored frog was found in a rewilded nature reserve in Costa Rica, and it belongs to the hylet frog family, also known as the tree frogs, and their relatives. After 18 years of restoration work by Donald Valera Soto, the former cattle ranch that is now Tapir Valley Nature Reserve is once again home to tapirs, peccaries, and jaguars. Adult and larval morphological studies, as well as DNA analysis, validated the discovery of a previously unknown species. Number 2. Limax pseudocinerioniger, giant keelback slug, Montenegro. Europe now has a new species of slug, and it's around the size of a medium-sized carrot. It's around 20 centimeters long, with a ridge running down its back, and has a brownish-gray color. The fact that such a massive animal remained hidden for so long in Europe, despite the continent's extensive documentation of its flora and fauna, is due to the fact that it has been passing itself off as a similarly related species. Number 3. Bolitoglosa cathalidiki, a species of fire salamander, is endemic to the province of Chirico in Panama. Scientists from Panama have identified a salamander with exceptionally vivid colors that they found on an expedition. Coloration, webbed fingers and toes, and an odd number of upper teeth set this species apart from its relatives. Genetic testing further verified its uniqueness. The experts believe that its small range and the presence of human activity make it a candidate for the IUCN Red List's critically endangered category. Number 4. Western Australian sponge crab, Lamarchdromia beagle. This crab, with its sea sponge beret and fluffy coat, has to be among the most fashionable marine creatures. A specimen washed ashore on a beach in Denmark, Western Australia, has now been identified as a new species. The crab's discoverers took it to the Western Australian Museum to have it identified, where experts soon realized they were looking at a previously unknown species. Some museum specimens of crabs turned out to be Lamarchdromia beagle as well, with the oldest examples going back to 1925. The crab is a member of the Dromaeidae family. These creatures are sometimes referred to as sponge crabs because they conceal themselves among sea sponges and ascidians, such as sea squirts, for safety. Number 5. Synapturinus dant, or the tapir frog, in the Putumayo Basin of Peru. This newly named Synapturinus dant was similarly difficult to locate as other fossorial, burrowing species. Researchers from the Field Museum in Chicago found the frog while conducting a rapid inventory of biological data in Peru's Putumayo Basin. The announcement of this new frog's discovery went viral when it was posted on social media, and many people have drawn parallels between it and the chocolate frogs featured in the Harry Potter franchise.